Rachel here, and today we're doing this Christmassy, really fun look. If you want to know how to get this look with the James Charles palette, stay tuned, guys. So I've already got my brows on, of course, and I got my eyes primed with the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. So once again, we're using the James palette, of course. Today I want to do this Christmassy look. I'm feeling green. First shade I'm going into is going to be Social Blade, this like neon beautiful green on this E27 as always. Oh my god. Now I haven't used this color. I'm gonna switch over my brush so it hopefully gets a bit more product on there. And then on the E27, I'm going into the shade B. Next, I'm taking the shade Daddy. Ooh. These greens are beautiful, guys. So, I'm gonna be extra, of course, and I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna do what I first did. So first I'm gonna take B in the inner corner, take Social Blade in the middle, and then in the very outer corner, take Daddy. Alright guys, we have the eyes done. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast, do the other eye, put on lashes using my Miami's by Lilly Lashes, and then I'm gonna speed up my face and we'll do a little lip and that'll be it. I put way too much. I only wanted to get a little bit more, and holy. Using my LA Girl. Going over with my Maybelline Powder this time, not my Patrick Star. May my highlight rest in peace. For lipstick, I'm going with my Kylie Shopaholic. Little gloss. NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. Haven't used it in a while, so I said. So guys, for this Christmas tree twist, I'm going to be going in with... You're kidding. And I've never used it and I'm so excited. This bright red shade. Ooh, she's pigmented. That just tied this whole look together, guys. Add a little highlight in the corner. This shimmery color. Oh, honey. Guys! This is a blinded highlight. All right, guys. This look is complete. Alright guys, this wraps up the look for this Christmassy little nice moment. I love this look. Like, oh, guys, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. If you guys love this look, comment down below and tell me what I should do next. Alright guys, bye! Do you mind getting me a concealer?